Is it just me, or am I seeing a magical mermaid slow rise, squishy? It's one of the ones that are ultra soft. It's so adorable. And it smells like the ocean. That's insane. Look at that beautiful braid. Fishies are inside. Biggie. Oh, it looks like he brought the scissors too. Biggie. Biggie. I think Biggie wants me to cut her open. Do you think fishies are inside? I think there might be fishies inside. Pink magic foam. This is so amazing. Let's rip it in half. So this is what's inside. It looks like a magic rock / slime / squishy all in one. Oh, wow. Well, if you like this video, down below, you're welcome to like it, subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Spirella family, where you can see more crazy and silly things my elf on the shelf do. Well, as always, I love my elves on the shelf. Thanks so much for watching.